Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain how to schedule a job using task scheduler. So in a normal scenario we do schedule a job using a Domo scheduler. So in a Domo scheduler we have a three option: update manually, update when file is changed, update on a schedule. So instead of using this I will use task scheduler. So let's create an overview. So I am going to create a bat file. So to schedule a job using a task scheduler, we have to create a bat file. So I have already created a bat file. I just want to show you. So this bat file I have created. So what are the syntax we need to give? Let me show you. So just click on edit. So we have to start with @echo of, then the path where our workbench is installed. So let me show you this path. Program file, Domo Workbench. So here my workbench is installed means w.exe. See, we can see this is w.exe is installed here. So we have to copy this path, okay, and then we have to paste here. Copy this path plus wb.exe file. After that we have to write run hyphen job, then as means server name or host name, and then hyphen j, and this is job id. So where to get job id? So this is the job id. Okay, so now I have created a bat file. Let me close this. So first thing, like, I can directly run the job using bat file, but this will be not like, but every time I have to run the batch file. This is not scheduled. So let me show you first how can I run execute this using batch file. So I just double click on the batch file. Now we can see my job has started. So the same thing we can do using Domo Workbench scheduler also, but now I am doing using bat file. So my job has completed. Okay. So when I click on, we can see in the open log view what was the last runtime. So my job was started like 11:51. Now we can see 11:12. So just now my job has completed. So now I have to schedule this workbench. Sorry, bat file. How to schedule? Just open a task scheduler. Okay, task scheduler. Now we have to create a new task. Task name, upload file. Sorry, do upload file. Okay, upload file. So this is my task name. Now click on trigger action, new trigger. Yes. So let's schedule the task. How do we want to execute this? Either one time, daily, weekly, monthly. How do we want to execute? Let's click on daily, or repeat task every, like, do we want to repeat the task on 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour? So we can add this. So anything we can do. So let's do for 10 minute. Okay, so daily, repeat task every 10 minute, stop all running tasks at the end of repetition duration. Like if we want, we can add here, we can give stop task if it's run longer than, like, we can give 1 hour, anything, like we can mention anything. Now if we want to give the expiry date of this job, so we have option to give here. So I don't want to give any expiry date because I don't know how long I have to execute this task. Okay, then click on action. Now action, just go. So what action should be performed? So action should be performed means through this task scheduler, I want to execute this bat file. Just click on that. Now condition, like we can give any condition if required. So this is not necessary. So other thing is like if task fail, restart. If we want, we can give the option. Otherwise, we can skip. Stop the task if it's run longer than we can give 1 hour. So we have the option. We can explore and based on requirement, we can check. We can tick or mark on checkbox. So let's click on OK. So we can see this task has created. Okay. Now let's run this. So I am executing this task. And let me go to Domo also. So we can see the last run is few seconds ago. Means just now this task has completed, and we can see here there is no data because the when we executed the first time it had 6 row. Okay. Now I am running every time with same file. So what's happening? The Domo first check the data whether it's updated or not. If it is not updated, then it will not update the data. It will like so same data. So that's why we have no value for updated row. If there will be any change in data, then for that updated row it will show the count. So this is how we can schedule a Domo Workbench task using Domo Workbench job using task scheduler. Thank you.